guys, this is Kenya with Kenya's Decor Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you stopped by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and also be sure to hit the notification bell to get alerts every time I upload new videos. Now guys, today I'm so super excited because I'm participating in the Christmas Kitchen Vignette Challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Hi Denise, thanks so much for hosting this collab. Guys, be sure to check out Denise's channel and the playlist link in my description box down below. Alrighty, so if you're interested in seeing what I've done, and I have a treat for you guys because I have not one, not two, but 3 vignettes to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done in my kitchen, then just keep watching. Okay guys, and here is our first vignette in the kitchen. It's on my kitchen island, and I am featuring these beautiful King of Christmas 4-foot trees, and they're in this beautiful urn. I just love it. You guys know I'm doing a Tuscan theme this year, and so this plays nicely with my theme. And you can see the branches on the tree are very real looking, and the tree is very full. It comes pre-lit, and it uses 3 AA batteries, and there is a timer on the trees, which is perfect, so I don't have to turn them on and off each time. I just set the timer and go. So I thought they look absolutely gorgeous in my kitchen on the island, right on full display for everyone to see. And here is the other one. I have them centered on my island, and I just think they look gorgeous. Absolutely. And for this vignette, we had to use a tray, and we also had to use something with words. So I have this beautiful hammered kind of like silver tray with gold antlers as the handles on the side, and I'm using this Merry Christmas sign that I picked up this year, and I think it looks so very pretty in front of my apothecary jars that are filled with ornaments. So that is one vignette in the kitchen. I think it looks so very pretty. There's a full view of the trees. If you guys want to see how they look at night, I did recently do a Christmas home tour at nighttime. So I will have that video linked in the iCards above if you want to check it out and see how my home looks at night all lit up. So I will go around and show you guys the other side of this vignette, and then I'll show you the next one. And here is the vignette from the other side, and I think it looks so very pretty. And I'll pull you in closer so you can see how beautiful this tray is. And I have just a couple pine cones on this side as my floral element for this vignette, in addition to my Christmas trees. And I have the lights off in the kitchen so you guys can kind of see the trees lit. But okay, now we'll move on to the next vignette. And here is my second vignette next to my refrigerator. So this space is actually functional space. This is, I use this prep space right here. So this vignette is over in the corner. On the kitchen island, it's large enough for us to still eat there and have our vignette in the place without having to move it. But here I have Addison's applesauce packets there that he likes to eat. And then I have a large poinsettia here with some green foliage, and this beautiful gold reindeer that I picked up from Home Goods this year, and I'm absolutely loving it. Then I have this little bench that I got from Hobby Lobby maybe a year or so ago. I'm using as my tray. And I have this pitcher vase that I filled with some poinsettias from the Dollar Tree. The vase was from Burlington's. And then I just have across the bench, I've draped some greenery with a little Merry Christmas sign as my something with words, and a little Dollar Tree sprig featuring a little red bird. They are a cardinal. And I have this bling star from the at-home store after Christmas last year. So that is this vignette. I think it looks so very pretty. And then I have one other vignette that I wanted to share with you guys, and we'll actually put that one together. Also guys, before we put our vignette together, I don't know if it's worth showing you all, but I did do a little something in my kitchen window. And so I have a clear vase from the Dollar Tree that I have a piece of ivy plant in it. And so around the vase, I tied a ribbon and clipped a poinsettia to it. That's also from the Dollar Tree. And then I added 2 bling stars on either side of the window with Believe right in the window as well. So I'm not sure if you guys can really see it that well, but I thought I'd just show it to you. It actually looks very pretty here in person. So that is that look. So now I will show you guys, well, we'll put together this next vignette. Okay guys, so for this vignette, I have some floral picks that I have here. I have these little garland ties from Dollar Tree. I have some ribbon just in case. This is my something with words. I have this beautiful Noel sign that I picked up from Burlington's this year. It was only $6.99 from Ross. So this was a great price and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. I love the gold lettering on it. I have my cutting board back here that I'll be using as my tray. You see that there. I have this sleigh filled with some ornaments that look like presents. So I'll be using those. And I have this picture with some poinsettias in it and another reindeer that I may be using. So let's put this look together. So I don't think I'm going to use him. I'll actually sit him in the window, so that will be nice. But that is this vignette, simple and easy, but really cute. And it meets all the criteria, being on the tray, something with words and florals. And I'll just pan over here so you guys can see how the reindeer looks in the window. The lighting is difficult because, you know, the sun is coming in through the window, so, but you can see the reindeer there, and I think it looks really cute. So that is that, and back over here to see this vignette. Again, I think it looks really adorable. I like the little presents in the sleigh. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video, and if so, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out tremendously. Also, if you're interested in the King of Christmas Christmas trees, I will have them linked in my description box down below for you to check out. Guys, those trees are absolutely beautiful, and I love that they're on a timer, so that's really perfect. So at night when everything comes on, they just pop right on also. I just love it. Alrighty guys, again, if you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video, which will be tomorrow because we're doing Vlogmas from December 1st through December 25th. I'll be sharing with you guys our journey leading up to Christmas. Alrighty guys, so I'll see you on tomorrow. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.